In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Let's start by talking about what layers are and why they matter. In Draw.io, layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can place different parts of your diagram on separate layers and then control which parts are shown, which are hidden, and which can be edited. This is especially useful in Confluence and Jira when you're building more complex diagrams, or when different teams need to focus on different parts of the same visual. First, you'll want to open the Layers panel. With your Draw.io diagram open inside Confluence or Jira, go up to the top menu and click on View. In that drop-down, select Layers. This will open a panel, usually on the right side of the screen, that shows all the layers in your diagram. If you've never worked with layers before, you might just see a single default layer to begin with. Next, let's add a few new layers. In the Layers panel, look for the plus icon. When you click this, Draw.io creates a new layer for you. You can rename it to something meaningful like background, annotations, or flow lines. Giving layers clear names will make your diagram much easier to manage later on, especially if you come back to it after some time or share it with teammates. Now let's talk about arranging these layers. In the Layers panel, you can click and drag each layer up or down to change its order. Think of this list as a stack. The layers at the top of the panel sit on top of the others on your canvas. That means shapes or text on the top layer will visually cover anything beneath them. If something looks like it's hidden or missing, check whether it might be sitting under another layer that's higher in the stack. You also have quick controls for visibility and editing. Next to each layer, you'll see an eye icon and a lock icon. Clicking the eye icon will toggle that layer on or off. When the eye is off, everything on that layer disappears from view, but it's not deleted. This is perfect when you want to focus on one part of a busy diagram. The lock icon controls whether the layer can be edited. When a layer is locked, you can't accidentally move or change its content. This is very helpful for protecting backgrounds or core structures while you work on details in other layers. By combining these tools, creating layers, reordering them, and using the eye and lock icons, you can keep your Draw.io diagrams in Confluence and Jira organized, flexible, and easy to maintain.